Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today my friends from EVBase sent me something that's going to hopefully make my car look a little bit sportier. What it is, it's a rear diffuser for the back end of my car, and well, let me just go ahead and open up the box and show you what we got. So anyways, like I said, EVBase right here. Comes with the two side on the back rear diffusers area there. So anyways, take these out of the package. And I went with the matte carbon fiber look. As you can see, I mean, it looks pretty cool, okay? It does have the carbon fiber look all the way around. On the inside, it's got some tape right there, but they do give us these extra pieces to put here and here, and that way it'll help hold it on there a little bit better. But I'll show you those in a second. Those are over there in the other packet. But anyways, this is what you get right here. These are the extra stickers I was talking about that we will put on there and just hope, and it'll just hold it on there a little bit better. Here's the other one. Once again, it's just got the red tape around on the inside there, and really, that's really all it is right here. So it's not bad. So really what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go out there and I'm going to clean the area really well. And one thing it doesn't come with, well, at least, once again, my package didn't come with it, is I recommend going and buying some adhesive promoter. You can get a box of these for 15, 20 bucks, and you get a bunch of different packs of them, and just keep them, because if you're going to install things on your car, do any kind of accessorizing or anything, a lot of the things that have the 3M tape, they may not come with it with the adhesive promoter. Now, with these big stickers and stuff on here, you may not need it, okay? But I'm still going to wipe a little bit of this on there, because going down the road, you don't want these things falling off or anything like that. So this right here will help this stuff adhere to this a lot better. So anyways, I'm going to go out there, I'm going to clean it off real good. I'm going to throw some of this on there, put the stickers on, push it on. And really, that's it. It's a pretty simple little install. It's not going to take much. Once again, these are from EVBase. If you're interested in these, down in the description of my video, you'll find the link right there. Make sure you use my discount code. I think it saves you like 25, 27%, something like that. Tesla B. Use that and go purchase some of these and save yourself some money. All right, let's get started on the install. I will say one thing, that when this goes on like this right here, that you are going to be covering up this port right here. Really, if you're going to need it, you just take this off, but most likely you're not ever going to need it, but you will cover that up. Just keep that in mind right there. Anyways, it's going to go in there just like this. So I'm going to clean everything up real good and get ready to put the stickers on. All right, so the stickers I want to put on is just going to go right here with these. There you go. Got all these stickers on right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the red backings off of everything. All right, since I got all the tape off everything, I'm gonna throw on some of my primer around this stuff here, and then I'm going to put all this on. I go just like this right here. There you go. Got installed. Looks pretty good. All right, now I'm going to do the left side now. Okay, so I got this all cleaned off. Got this ready right here. I'm just going to take my primer. Make sure hold it on as long as you can to get that sticker to really stick. Got them installed. Well, there you go, guys. Pretty easy to install. You just really got to clean it real good, put the stickers on, put some adhesive promoter on there, and push them in. Make sure you hold them on there for a good couple minutes to get those stickers to really adhere onto your rear bumper. It's not that long to do, and it wasn't that hard. So, hey, if you like the look, this is what you're going. It just makes the car look a little bit more sportier. They do have matte black. They got the carbon fiber one. I did go with the carbon fiber matte one. After looking at it, see, I got other pieces on my car that are carbon fiber, So that's what I was going for. But because they're going on the rear bumper that is all just plain black, maybe it would have looked a little bit better if I would have gone with just a black one. Not sure. But I do got carbon fiber other accessories on the outside of my car. That just adds a little bit more in the back. I'll see if it grows on me or not. So anyways, guys, once again, this is from EVBase. If this is something you're looking for, down in the description of my video is a link. It'll take you straight there. You can check them out. You can purchase this. Make sure you use my discount code TESLAB. It'll save you 25, 27%, something like that. And guys, enjoy, okay? Once again, give me a like on this video if you like it. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I'm doing lots of different reviews. I'm testing out different things. I personally, before I go buy something, I go on YouTube and look and see what it looks like. How's it gonna fit on my car? What is it gonna do before I take the time to actually spend the money, okay? But most of the reviews that I'm putting out there, I'm gonna save you some money because you can use my discount code when you purchase it. All right, guys? So anyways, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.